The Karcher WD3 Tough Vac is perfect for tackling those tasks that other vacuums hate. This powerful machine comes complete with everything you need for any cleaning task and is ready to use in seconds. Whether it's a DIY project, general tidy up in the garage and garden, or cleaning out the car, the WD3 is the ideal companion. No matter if it's dry dirt or wet mess, the WD3 Tough Vac loves any challenge. The specially designed floor tool is perfect for sawdust, fine dirt, and even water. The hand nozzle can then tackle those larger items such as gravel or nuts and bolts, whilst also being able to deal with larger volumes of water and sludge. The extra long crevice nozzle can get into any hard-to-reach places, and when combined with a 3.5 meter suction hose and handy soft bristle brush, you have the perfect machine for cleaning out the car. The WD3 also comes with a blow function, perfect for moving dirt, such as leaves, into an easy vacuum pile. The WD3 comes with a tough 17-litre container and onboard storage for every accessory, meaning everything is always to hand. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to transport and store in any location. The Karcher WD3 Tough Vac comes complete with a 2-year warranty.